ASC AP software tutorials. How to create print and cut jobs in Adobe Illustrator. Your GCC ASC-350 series machine comes with a CameraCut Pro serial number. Download and install CameraCut Pro and plugins from the GCC website to get started with the print cut workflow. Create or open your artwork in Adobe Illustrator. Click the Add Mark button to print the artwork on the media. Select Create in the Add Mark window. Click the Print button to print the artwork on the media. Place the printed media on the ASC-350 media tray. Click the Create Contour icon in the CameraCut plugin. In the Create Contour window, click Trace, adjust the outline value, then click Apply. Select the artwork in Illustrator. Select Cut Contour. In the Send to Cutter window, click Send to start the cutting process. The workflow is complete.